Ready to level up your home without lifting a finger? These clever Temu smart home gadgets take care of the little things, so you can focus on what matters. From lighting to security to everyday ease, they'll surprise you with how smart they really are. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Washing your hands just got way more fun. This adorable yellow duck soap dispenser shoots out foam automatically, no touching needed. Just wave your hand near the sensor, and in 0.25 seconds, you're good to go. It's kid-friendly, super hygienic, and a cute way to encourage better hand-washing habits. Works great in bathrooms or kitchens, and runs on regular batteries for hassle-free use. Your bathroom just got a tech upgrade. This smart wall-mounted toothbrush holder doesn't just organize, it disinfects with built-in UV light that kills 99.99% of bacteria. It holds up to 6 toothbrushes, includes 3 rinse cups, and even dispenses toothpaste with a simple press. The sleek design fits right in with modern decor, and the glowing light indicators make it feel futuristic. This isn't just a chair, it's your personal outdoor lounge station. With a 5-level adjustable backrest and a hidden pull-out footrest, it's made for serious relaxation. 2 built-in cup holders keep your drinks or phone within easy reach, and the whole thing folds up when you're done. Rain or shine, it's weatherproof, fade-resistant, and tough enough to handle up to 380 pounds. Great coffee shouldn't be tied to a countertop. This portable electric espresso machine lets you brew wherever you are, at home, at work, or even in the mountains. It works with capsules or ground coffee and charges via USB-C for total flexibility. Just add water, press a button, and you've got fresh espresso in minutes. Compact, quiet, and seriously convenient. It's cafe-style freedom in your hands. Why carry 3 tools when one does it all? This smart laser tape measure combines a 5-meter tape, a digital laser rangefinder, and a cross-marking guide, all in one handheld gadget. It measures up to 131 feet with pinpoint accuracy, and even stores your last 20 readings. The self-locking tape adds safety, and the rugged grip keeps it steady. Great for DIYers or pros who want fast, reliable results every time. This desk lamp is doing way more than just lighting up your workspace. It's got 4 adjustable heads to shine light exactly where you need it, plus a built-in fan to keep you cool during long study sessions. There's even a digital display showing the time, date, and temperature. With touch controls and stepless dimming, you get the perfect lighting every time. And the bonus, a pen holder to keep things tidy. No bending, no touching, just step in and your shoes are instantly covered. This automatic shoe cover dispenser holds up to 30 covers at a time and works without electricity. One quick step and you're good to go. It comes with 200 waterproof anti-slip covers that fit most shoe sizes, perfect for keeping floors clean in your home, clinic, or workspace without the mess or hassle. These lights know when you need them, even before you do. Designed with natural wood and soft glow acrylic, they turn on automatically when it's dark and someone walks by. No wires, no drilling, just stick, charge, and let them shine. Thanks to their magnetic base, you can pop them off and use them as a handheld torch too. Perfect for stairways, hallways, or those midnight trips to the fridge. Yes, you can binge your favorite shows, even in the shower. This waterproof phone holder sticks to your bathroom wall and keeps your screen crystal clear and fully touchable. The 360 degrees rotation and retractable design let you adjust the angle exactly how you like it. Vents on both sides even boost your sound so your music or podcasts come through loud and clear. Shower time just got a serious upgrade. Want pro-level prints without the fuss? This high-speed 3D printer handles carbon fiber filament with ease. It auto-levels, auto-calibrates, and even watches for print errors using a smart AI camera. Whether you're a hobbyist or prototyping like a pro, this machine's cooling system and precision parts keep every layer sharp, fast, and clog-free. Plug it in, tap once, and you're printing. No more hunting for a printer when you're on the move. This compact, inkless thermal printer has you covered. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, or by USB to your laptop, and prints crisp black and white pages in multiple sizes. No ink, no mess, and super easy to use whether you're in the car, at a job site, or working remotely. Don't let the size fool you. This mini table saw packs serious cutting power. It handles wood, plastic, acrylic, and even metal with precision, thanks to its adjustable angles and 7-speed control. A powerful motor hits up to 6,000 RPM, while the clear scale lines and safety shield help keep every cut clean and secure. It's compact, rugged, and built for hobbyists who want pro-level results in tight spaces. Your mattress might look clean, but this cordless vacuum knows better. With a powerful suction, UVC light, and ultrasonic vibration, it digs deep to lift dust, pet hair, and hidden debris from beds, sofas, and carpets. The dual dust cup keeps messes separate and easy to empty. No cords, no limits. Just 30 minutes of powerful, hygienic cleaning. Lightweight, portable, and perfect for freshening up every soft surface you own. You move, it follows. No app, no hassle. This smartphone holder uses built-in AI to track your face or body, rotating a full 360 degrees to keep you in frame. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or jumping on a video call, it automatically adjusts so you stay center stage. No setup needed, just clip in your phone and go. The rechargeable battery lasts for hours, making it perfect for creators on the move. Big creativity fits in a small package with this ultra-portable drawing tablet. Designed for smooth, lag-free sketching and writing, the battery-free stylus feels just like a real pen, only smarter. You get 6 customizable shortcut keys and a scroll wheel to speed up your workflow, whether you're drawing, designing, or signing documents. Compatible with PC, Mac, and Android, it's perfect for artists on the go. This isn't just a clock, it's a futuristic piece of digital art for your desk. With 5 vibrant color screens mimicking retro Nixie tubes, it displays time, date, weather, and even your favorite photos. You can control everything through an app, from light modes to custom image slideshows. Choose from 16 million colors and multiple effects to match your vibe. It's a bold blend of nostalgia and high-tech flair. Pixel art meets smart tech in this customizable LED display. With a 32 by 32 grid, you can create animations, scrolling messages, mini-games, and more, all from the app on your phone. It works as a digital clock, scoreboard, and even a countdown timer. Whether it's on your wall or desk, this light-up panel adds personality and play to any space. Perfect for gamers, creatives, or anyone who loves a bit of flair. Bath time just got smarter. This foldable tub isn't just portable, It heats water with one touch and keeps it at your perfect temperature the whole time. It even filters out impurities as it circulates, so every soak feels pure and clean. The quick fold design saves up to 75% space and sets up in seconds. With a hood cover to trap steam, it's perfect for deep relaxation or muscle recovery. Ever wanted to light up your space like a sci-fi movie? This geometric gaming lamp brings that vibe to life. With 7 colors and a mind-blowing 365 shifting light modes, it creates an endless mirror illusion that pulls you right in. You can tweak the brightness and speed to match your mood. Perfect for gaming, relaxing, or setting the scene. This light turns any room into a whole experience. Charging doesn't have to be boring, and this gadget proves it. This 6-in-1 wireless station powers up your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once, while doubling as a speaker, pixel alarm clock, and stylish desk display. The rotating magnetic stand makes charging in portrait or landscape a breeze. Built-in safety features protect your gear, and the pixel art animations keep things fun. Your iPad just got a serious glow-up. This all-in-one keyboard case isn't just sleek, it's wildly versatile. With 360-degree rotation and 7 viewing modes, you can type, sketch, or stream from any angle. The rainbow backlit keys light up your workspace, even in the dark, and the built-in touchpad adds laptop-level control. It protects your device, holds your pencil, and turns your tablet into a productivity powerhouse. You're not just pushing buttons, you're commanding your setup like a pro. This desktop console gives you tactile control over everything from live streams to stock trades. The visual buttons light up and can be fully customized with your own icons and shortcuts. Whether you're switching scenes, launching apps, or muting audio, it's all at your fingertips. USB-powered, sleek, and available in 2 sharp color options.